हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू ASA एजुकेशन। आज हम कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज 30 रेन एंड मार्टिन हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक्स। टॉपिक है हमारा रिलेटिव प्रोनाउंस। क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है कि फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद सूटेबल रिलेटिव प्रोनाउंस। पहला फिल इन द ब्लैंक है वी ऑलवेज लाइक बॉयज हु द ट्रुथ, या ऑप्शन में हो सकता है वी ऑलवेज लाइक बॉयज दैट स्पीक द ट्रुथ, यानी हु और दैट दोनों सही। वी सॉ द डॉग दैट is the cat, or we saw the dog which worries the cat. He who does his best shall be praised, or he that does his best shall be praised. I know what you mean. She has gone to Chennai, which is her birthplace. I have seen the bird which you describe, or I have seen the bird that you describe. I do not know the man who hit the boy, or I do not know the man that hit the boy. He gave away what he did not need. There is no one who has not lost a friend, or there is no one that has not lost a friend. Here is a pen that you lost, or here is a pen which you lost. Most people get what they deserve. Time that is lost is never found again, or time which is lost is never found again. I do not know the person who called, or I did not know the person that called. He is a man whom you can trust, or he is a man that you can trust. Where is the book that I gave you, or where is the book which I gave you? Is this the street that the station, or is this the street which leads to the station? The letter which you wrote never arrived, or the letter that you wrote arrived. Listen to what I say. He who is merciful shall meet mercy, or he that is merciful shall meet mercy. Did you receive the letter which I sent yesterday, or did you receive the letter that I sent yesterday? What I have said, I have said. Who he was, I could not never find out. Whom do you believe him to be? Do you know what has happened? What is done cannot be undone. Do the same as I do. For my purpose, I need such a man as he is. God help those who help themselves. No man can lose what he never had. You should not imitate such a boy as he. तो ये आपकी जो एक्सरसाइज थी, दिस इज बेस्ड ऑन रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन. लेट्स मीट इन अदर एक्सरसाइज. सब्सक्राइब करिए ASA एजुकेशन.